Crossroad number 15. To build a house for the Lord or to destroy a home. This is another crossroad, a difficult one, this season of Lent, as we celebrate the solemnity of Saint Joseph, husband of Mary. The Lord gave Joseph a very particular mission. Build a house for my son. Take Mary as your wife. In our first reading from the book of Samuel, we read, "It is he who shall build a house for my name, and I will make his royal throne firm forever. I will be a father to him, and he shall be a son to me. Your house and your kingdom shall endure forever before me." Saint Joseph, the homemaker, the house builder, together with Mary, for Jesus. He will be a son to you, you will be a father to him. That's the mission that God has given to Joseph. In the beginning, he was reluctant to do that. We are familiar with the story. In our life today, we can also be a builder of our home, or we can be a home wrecker. Ano ba tayo sa pamilya natin? Tayo ba'y instrumento ng pagbubuo o tayo yung nagiging dahilan ng pagkasira ng ating pamilya? Saint Joseph is our model, not just in terms of being an ideal husband, because he was and he is to Mary, but for our purposes, perhaps in our time today, imitating the virtues of Saint Joseph, we ask ourselves, how can I be a home builder? How can I make my family one and whole again? How can I be an instrument of dialogue, of listening, of understanding in my home, in my family, among my loved ones? Sa panahon mo ngayon, sa ating paglalakbay, sa panahon ng Kwaresma, panibagong krus na daan ang ating hinaharap ngayon. Bubuuin ko ba ang pamilya o hahayaan ko lang ito ay masira at magkawatak-watak kaming lahat? My dear fathers and mothers, parents in the home, this crossroad is particularly for you. Would you allow your family to be wrecked and to be destroyed because you don't care about each other, because you don't want to listen to one another, because you don't want to forgive each other? Should we allow everybody to be destroyed by our selfishness and pride? This season of Lent, mga magulang, at kasama na rin dito ang mga anak, instrumento ba tayo ng pagkakaisa sa pamilya o nagiging dahilan tayo ng patuloy na hidwaan at hindi pagkakaunawaan sa loob ng ating tahanan? Choose. Will you be a home builder or will you be a house wrecker?